here we are. We've got a few things that are unfamiliar and one thing that's very familiar. I've got my Minute Maid and a Bolt 24 and a sparkling iris, which my husband super loves. So we have these a lot. So let's go with my favorite. Putting it on the Minute Maid. Oh my God, it might be big. It's a little too big. It doesn't really come off. It just looks a little bit silly because it's kind of loose there. Bolt drink. Makes me feel fast just holding it. Oh, look at that. It fits perfectly. It's a little bit bigger than the Minute Maid. My sparkling ice. Too big. I mean, it fits and it's fine and it won't come off, but you can see there's like a gap. Then, I don't know why I keep going in the same order every time, but it's fun. So the jersey, he or she or they look a little bit undressed because it goes down too low. So I think it looks almost inappropriate, but on the Bolt, it's a tight fit, but once you get it down over the wide part, it looks really good. And on the sparkling ice, yeah, that one went on super smooth. This, I want to say, is about the same size as your average bottle. If a standard can coolie, I have a feeling it'd be too big. Okay, definitely big, but because the bottle is a weird shape, it doesn't fall off. And on the Bolt, yeah, no problem on that one. The bottom's pretty wide, and it actually does a pretty good job of fitting at the top. On the sparkling ice, definitely a little big, but again, same thing, it wouldn't fall off. So we'll go with a maybe on that one. Let's try the neoprene 12 ounce tall slim can. Tiny little gap at the top because the bottle does blue, but other than that, it's definitely a really good fit. It's a little too tight for the Bolt, and on the sparkling ice, it does a fantastic job. If we wanted something a little more snug, we'll try this 6.5 ounce one on the Minute Maid, and that's cute. That's just like a little pocket holder right there. No way this is gonna fit on the Bolt. And on the sparkling ice, same thing, no problem. I mean, it only covers the very little bottom, but it still looks pretty adorable and could have a really cute effect for an event. I'm just gonna go ahead and go out on a limb and say the 8 ounce slim can would work well as well because they are the same width, they're just different heights. I'm gonna go no larger than this 16 ounce large can coolie because certainly it is too big for all of them in terms of height and width. Thank you. Anything that's cute and tiny like that, I feel like it's a little pocket holder. Like I could just sew it right here and, you know, keep it on my shirt.